Wow. Look at this view. Look at this vibe. How many people you think is actually able to experience this? We're seeing the top of almost the highest buildings in Miami. It's a privilege. It's an opportunity. With this perspective being in this position kind of gives me perspective. Your mind can only do what you tell it to do. Being here is telling me that there's more to life than being on the bottom. We gotta go to the top. Because sometimes your journey to the top is not because you want to have everything, right? We all think that people at the highest buildings are the richest. Facts. Penthouses at the top. But there's certain things that you are able to reflect on every single day when you get to the top, is to tell you that you got to stay on top, because everyone is scrambling at the bottom trying to get somewhere. And what you did for yourself, what you said, I'm done trying to stay at that bottom. I'm going to inspire myself. I'm going to inspire somebody else. I'm going to work my ass off. I'm going to get off from the bottom, and I'm going to go to the top. So somebody else that has a vision and has a dream can want to achieve this. Being here is telling me that we are living our dream. Being here and being this age is telling me that we're going somewhere. But that's not the limitation. Because it's that easy for you to be at the top and go through mental situations that's going to start having you feeling like jumping down to the bottom. But we don't want to get there. We want to be structured correctly so that when we get to the top, we're going to be mentally intact. We're going to be mentally checked. We're going to have a purpose. Because when you have a purpose, nothing can stop you. You can always go down so you can reach somebody, so you can get somebody else and bring them up. That's when you have a purpose of going up. But when you go up and you isolate yourself and things start messing with you in your life, you start feeling depressed, you start feeling inadequate, you start feeling like your life means nothing. It's so easy to want to say, I'm done with everything, and jump off. But that's not what we're going to do this year. We're going to get our mindset checked. We're going to get to our success. And we're going to eat the best things in life. We're going to breathe well. We're going to drink good water. We're going to look good. We're going to thank God for everything. We're going to thank God for life. Because right now, the oxygen is great. There's no pollution. We're getting good wind. We're getting great vibes. Hey, get people around you. Keep people who are going to motivate you to get here. I'm going to challenge you right now. This year, 2018, are you happy with your circle? Are people calling you, texting you bi-weekly, encouraging you, put something important in your life? Because if they're not, you got to do a self-check. You got to do an environmental check. Because people are enjoying this right here, this view. While you sitting at home still asking yourself, why is the person, people are getting it. I'm telling you, I'm going to get it. That's not a problem. But I'm trying to motivate you to get it. But you know what? I'm going to tell you something. You're going to get it. This is not saying that you're not going to get it. You're going to get it. Because you're looking through this right now. You get so much vibe and get so much energy. This week going in, you're going to eat. That goal you say you're going to get out of 2018, you're going to get it. That fitness vibe you're supposed to be on, you're going to start creating it. That body you want, you're going to have it. That score you want, you can get it. That ambition that you want to have, you're going to get in. That position you want to have is already ready for you. But the main important thing is, what you're going to decide. You're going to still keep scrambling the bottom, or you're going to make that imagination of going to the top become a reality and start walking to your success. This is Doctor's message. We're going to walk with you to your success. And this year, we're going to get our mindset checked. Sign off.